Alright, guys, and I'm here with.
Obama.
Alright, no problem. Okay, so Obama, I've got some young questions for you.
Me, I'm into old questions.
All the questions, still fine. Okay, so what's your body count?
You? Negative why?
That's crazy. You've telling me you've never gotten no action, no nyas, no nothing. Basically, you tell me how to get 0 hands, like your body count is 0.
It's tough.
0.
That's crazy. Obama, come back, man. Don't be shy. Come back, man. Come back. You see, guys, the nigga's running away. Guys, look, he's running away. He's over here. I know stress. Bobo, come. Young Q&A, boy. Come, boy. Who's next? Okay, girls, can y'all come for a young interview, please? Choose and one by one. Action. Oh, action. Aye. Okay, YouTube, this is your boy, Mr. Toxic Lover. Follow me on IG, TikTok, all those. So I'm here with
Ayanda.
Okay, Ayanda. So what's your body count?
0.
Okay, from your point of perspective, who is the most good looking guy in this whole school?
None.
But so just about your face. But it's fine, aye. It's fine. B. Come B. Oh, someone shy, man. You don't bite.
Oh, we are Papa again.
Hey, boy, Papa, no, 50-50, see? Okay, for a sequel, Lapo. And I'm here with?
Sanel.
Okay, Sanele. What's the most craziest thing you've ever done for love?
Nothing.
Okay, I'm for a sequel, Lapo. Okay, what's your body count?
0.
Why you want a man?
Angithandi ngomngane wami. Ngazohlanya wena.
Why you fighting? Why you fighting? Oh, is that go back? Okay. I'm sorry, fun. I've been riding with the fucking mic.